My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Tesla Model 3. This car has done just under 12,000 miles. It is fully electric and it has an automatic transmission. On the user interface, we can see navigation as a feature. And as we go into controls, we can see key features such as charging, autopilot, navigation, service. Within this, you can see your tyre pressure and the owner's manual, as well as software and upgrades. Tesla comes with a 360 degrees camera. And with that, you can access your dash cam footage. If we swipe up, we can access the AC. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather interior and a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.